Today's repair is still on a mini drone. The Mini series is the most frequently repaired machine. This one has a broken leg and a twisted arm on this side. The technical requirement is to replace one arm so it can fly. If it can fly like this, it can save some costs by only replacing one arm, starting the strong repair now. Take out the broken part and install the new one, but I don't want to use force. I want to make you irresistibly moved. Just snap the last top cover back on and it's done. The owner said to glue it, so we'll glue it. As long as it's not too much force, it's okay. Too much force will definitely bend and break this side. We'll simply fix it. Insert the SD card, replace it with a new one, a small card clip. For these small cracks, the owner wants them repaired, not replaced, so we'll fix it with some strong 502 glue. Tested it alright, returned it to the user. It's flying now. The gimbal is working normally with no errors. We'll go fly it outdoors during the day. Alright, finished work.